Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to boost your income and diversify your earnings in 2024, I've got some exciting opportunities for you. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 high-paying side hustles you can start right now. Whether you want to leverage your existing skills or dive into something new, these side hustles can help you earn a substantial income on the side. Stay tuned to find out how you can turn your passions into profits and take control of your financial future. Let's get into it, freelancing. It is a flexible side hustle that allows you to leverage your skills and expertise in a variety of fields. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, video editing, or consulting on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. By setting your own rates and hours, you have the potential to earn a substantial income based on your skill level and the demand for your services. Successful freelancers often specialize in a niche area, allowing them to attract high-paying clients and build a strong reputation. To get started, create a professional profile showcasing your portfolio and relevant experience. You can also market your services through social media, networking, and word of mouth. As you gain more clients and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and take on more high-value projects. Building long-term relationships with clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a lucrative side hustle that involves teaching students in various subjects over the internet. You can specialize in areas such as math, science, languages, or test preparation, catering to students of all ages and levels. Online platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Wisent connect tutors with students globally, making it easier to find opportunities. The flexibility of scheduling and the ability to work from home are attractive aspects of online tutoring. To excel in this field, you'll need strong subject knowledge, effective teaching skills, and the ability to engage and motivate students. Building a positive reputation with students and parents can lead to repeat sessions and referrals. As you gain experience, you can charge higher rates for your services, especially if you specialize in high-demand subjects or offer test prep tutoring for exams like the SAT, ACT, or GRE. Real estate investing. This idea can be a high-paying side hustle, providing you with opportunities for both passive income and long-term appreciation. You can start small by investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Rental properties can generate consistent monthly income while also appreciating in value over time. You can manage rental properties yourself or hire a property management company to handle day-to-day operations. Another approach is flipping houses, buying properties that need renovation and then selling them for a profit. This requires a keen eye for undervalued properties and the ability to oversee renovations efficiently. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest smaller amounts in commercial or residential projects, providing diversification and reduced risk. Whichever strategy you choose, conducting thorough research and understanding the local market are essential for success in real estate investing. E-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business is a popular and potentially lucrative side hustle that involves selling products online. You can create your own store using platforms like Shopify or Etsy, offering a wide variety of products such as clothing, accessories, home goods, or niche items. Dropshipping is another option, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. In this model, you work with suppliers who handle fulfillment and shipping. To succeed in e-commerce, focus on a niche market or unique products to stand out from the competition. Develop a strong online presence through social media, digital advertising, and search engine optimization, SEO, to attract customers. Building relationships with suppliers and maintaining excellent customer service are key to retaining customers and driving repeat business. As you grow your store, you can consider expanding your product line and exploring additional sales channels. Consulting. Consulting is a high-paying side hustle that allows you to offer expert advice and guidance in a specific field to individuals or businesses. Your expertise could be in areas such as finance, business strategy, technology, human resources, or marketing. To start consulting, create a professional profile outlining your skills, experience, and areas of expertise. Networking is key in this field. Connecting with professionals in your industry can lead to referrals and new clients. To succeed as a consultant, it's essential to understand your client's needs and provide tailored solutions to help them achieve their goals. Developing strong communication and problem-solving skills will help you build long-term relationships with your clients. As you gain experience and a reputation for delivering value, you can charge higher rates for your services. You can also consider expanding your offerings by providing workshops, training sessions, or online courses. Content creation. Creating content is a popular side hustle that involves producing and sharing content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or blogs. You can create content in various formats such as videos, podcasts, articles, or live streams on topics you are passionate about. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise or courses to your audience. To excel in content creation, focus on producing high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key. Regularly posting content helps grow your audience and keep them engaged. Building a community around your content can lead to increased interaction and loyalty. As your following grows, you can leverage your influence to secure sponsorship deals or brand partnerships for additional income. Experiment with different types of content and platforms to find what works best for you. Professional coaching. Professional coaching is a high-paying side hustle that allows you to use your expertise to help others improve their skills or achieve their goals. This type of coaching can take many forms, such as life coaching, career coaching, fitness coaching, or business coaching. To get started, you'll need to have a strong background in your chosen area of coaching and a genuine desire to help others succeed. To establish yourself as a professional coach, create a professional online presence, and develop a clear coaching philosophy and methodology. Networking can help you connect with potential clients and build your reputation. Offer free or discounted introductory sessions to attract clients and showcase your coaching style. As you gain experience and positive testimonials from clients, you can charge higher rates for your services. Continuously improving your coaching skills and staying updated on industry trends will help you provide value to your clients. You might also consider expanding your offerings to include workshops, group coaching sessions, or online courses for additional income streams. Building long-term relationships with your clients can lead to repeat business and referrals, helping you grow your coaching practice. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you found these high-paying side hustles inspiring and useful for boosting your income in 2024. Remember, taking that first step is key to unlocking new opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your finances. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited about trying out. Until next time, take care and keep hustling.